What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a Valentine's Day makeup look, but I'm also gonna do something a little bit different, and I'm gonna do like a talk through, get ready with me, chit chat, and then we can talk a little bit about relationship statuses since it is the month of February and love is in the air. I love to see love though, so makes me happy. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna start my I already have my eyebrows on and I concealed around them to chisel them out a little bit. And then I'm gonna go with my MAC strobe cream. Love this stuff. And then I just like to put this in the places on my face that I like to highlight. So the top of your cheekbones, nose, chin. Next, primer. I'm gonna use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And then I just put this right here. And I do put it on my forehead because I feel like it's necessary. I don't know, it's just something I've done. And then a little bit on my chin. So, let's see, where should I start? I really want to incorporate like working out. Like my weight loss video was kind of popular for my little itty bitty channel, and so I want to incorporate more, and I just want to know if you guys want like a weight loss update. I weighed in yesterday and I'm super stoked because I finally broke the 160s, and I'm in the 160s, and it's been a long time since I've been there, so I'm pretty stoked. And I just wanted to know like if you guys wanted an update to know what I've did and kind of where I'm at now and what I plan for the future, what I eat. I mean, whatever you guys want to know, more I will film. I'm excited to see where I'll be at by the summer. So I'm gonna do it with my concealer. This is the Born This Way Super Coverage. So I would encourage those that are on the brim of working out or kind of in that rut of not being able to get there, like, you guys come work out with me anytime you want to. I would love some workout partners. You know, I don't get them often. I don't get them often. All right, and then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of cream contour. This is still my Maybelline Stick and Coconut. Like $5 make you holla at whatever drugstore you want to go to. I guess we can get into the nitty gritty. All right, so the question is, am I single or am I in a relationship? Drum roll, please. What y'all think? I want y'all to pause it right now, right below what you think I am. I'll wait, you didn't pause it if you still see me blending. And wait, why you comment? You can also subscribe in that corner down there. I think it's on your right hand side. So I am single, and I can elaborate on the reasons why, because people ask me all the time why I'm single. I don't know. I just feel like I just haven't found a person that I would really want to like give my time. Like, I ain't got time for the bullshit, okay? So maybe in the past I really haven't seen like my self-worth, but recently that's what I've been working on. Is I've been trying to grow, and I've been trying to find myself, and I've been trying to find that self-worth and love for myself, because I feel like I lost it. And so working on yourself is really important, because if you struggle with loving yourself, you're always going to be battling something in your mind. So you might feel insecure, you might just be more on edge and maybe not the best self you could be to someone. Like, I don't want to settle for anything less than I know that I deserve, because I know that I am a good woman. I know that, and for a while I didn't know that, but now I do. So no, I don't want to settle.
You ain't gotta settle, Bo. Just here to tell you.
Now the question of the day, it might be like, what do I look for in a man? And let me just fill you in on what I like in a man, okay? I'm looking for in a man, I like a sense of humor. I would like us to be able to have fun together, because sometimes I think I'm pretty darn funny. But I mean, I'm just saying, a sense of humor, gotta have that, because we gotta be able to have fun, boo. Oh, I used, sorry, the Anastasia bronzer. I'm gonna go in with NARS Orgasm. Looks like this. Pink, because my eye's about to be pink. Safety is a big thing for me. Like, I want to be able to feel safe with you. Like, guys, I'm sorry, but if we're hanging out and I gotta get home or something and you don't know, like, I want you to tell you when I get home. Like, I feel like that's a big thing. Like, in these days, you being worried and making sure I make it home okay is a big thing. Or making sure that, you know, your lady gets in the house okay. Like, if you taking her home and she riding with you and she gets out the car, I mean, don't leave the second she put her foot on the ground. You know what I'm saying? Like, why don't you make sure she get in the house and get the door closed behind her and then pull off. And even like if it's long distance, would you not want to know if your person made it home okay? Or like, sometimes I wonder, how are you okay without talking to someone like for a full day and a full night and you not know like if they're okay? Like, I gotta check in with you. Like, we don't have to talk every 2 seconds, every hour or nothing, but like, boo, if I haven't heard from you for like 6-7 hours and it's evening and I still haven't heard from you, or not even just like a check-in text, I'm gonna get worried. Like, can you just let me know you okay? Like, is that too much for you to let me know you alright? You alright? I mean, we both can have our days, that's not a problem. But okay, the highlighter I'm gonna use is the Anastasia Nicole Guerrero collection, and I'm gonna dip into another oldie but a goodie. I'm gonna use 143, and then I might make something else in there. I might mix in a little bit of Glow Getter. Heck, I might mix them all together. I mean, I don't know. Let's just play it by ear. Swirly twirly in there. But I think that's important. Like, you made it home okay. Check in on each other. Make sure everybody's good. There's that. And then, can you cook though? Can you cook? That's just a question I want to know. Cooking now for me ain't necessarily my strong suit. I mean, I get by. And I want to know more. But I can make some sides if my man want to make the main whatever, steak, chicken, grill, salmon. I can make some salmon and some chicken. But it wouldn't hurt like if my future man knew how to cook. Because your girl loves to eat. Snoring, I don't know, that might be like my biggest, like one of my pet peeves is snoring. Like, I can't do a snore. I can't do a snore. Or if you snore, like, it can't be like true snoring. Like, you can do that like if you're in a deep sleep, because sometimes I do it too, but if you're in a deep sleep and like you breathe in a little heavier, but like full blown like anybody that snores, nothing against you, but me, I'm a light sleeper. Okay, enough of the highlighter because I'm just jabbering and putting it out. So, okay, I'm gonna get this off. What else? Okay, for the eyes real quick, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Lemonade palette, and I'm gonna go in with Berry Ice. Is the pink one we're gonna use right up here, and then the glitter I'm gonna use the Strawberry Lemonade. Let's see, what else? I'm 5'10", so nothing less than that in height, preferably at least 6 foot. But I ain't gonna put, you know, I ain't gonna be the pickiest, I'm just saying. But I'm tall, FYI. I'm 5'10", so I don't want basketball roster neither. Like, I don't want you to lie about your height. I'm familiar with that, so keep it real. Nice, caring, loving, loves kids, loves dogs, because you know Nala and I are a 2-for-1. I need faithful. I ain't about to play these games with you.
I ain't about to play these games with you, boy. Faithful's the only way over here.
I don't understand cheating. Like, if you want to cheat, just be single. Sorry, watch my language. But what do y'all think? Like, if you in a relationship and you know social media is like at an all-time high, and liking a picture may or may not be a big deal, but I think it depends on the type of picture we're talking about. Would you want your significant other liking a picture of a half-naked female or male? What y'all think about that? I'm just curious, because there's different pictures, and there's different pictures that are likable when you're taken, and there might be some pictures that are not likable when you're taken. Now when you're single, double tap it all. I'm just kidding. So, like, Valentine's Day, I think that's a cute holiday. I'm single and I still think it's a cute holiday. I'm gonna smudge some of this pink ice pop. That's what I'm gonna do. Bring that out. I mean, what do you guys look for in a man or woman? Like, I prefer you just keep it real with me from the start. Like, I don't want a liar. Keep it honest. I mean, honesty is the best policy to me. So I got pink smudge on the bottom. Maybe I should throw some of that pink like on the top. How did I go to coral and then I completely overlooked the pink? I think I'm gonna throw some pink in my crease, y'all, because for some reason I completely overlooked that pink, but it's cute. I'm gonna smudge it all in my crease. I mean, I ain't gonna lie, I haven't really been looking because I've been focused on myself. But I also am a firm believer that, like, God makes no mistakes, so it'll come in its perfect timing. Hold on, let me get my lashes. Okay, got my lashes on, and I can't remember what we were talking about, you guys. More the qualities that I want in a man. But real quick while I talk, I'm gonna put this black liner on my tight line, and then this I'm gonna put this in my waterline. It's just like a neutral, so it should make your eyes pop a little bit because we put pink on everywhere else. So I'm gonna do that while my lash finish is drying, and then we'll do the lips, set it, and then we should be done, girl. But I just want to tell you, like, if you're single, embrace being single. Endure the time that you have with just yourself so you can work on yourself, and then that way when that person comes along when you least expect it, you'll be ready, your head will be in the right place, and you'll be able to give that person all of you, and you guys will be a good team together. So I'm a firm believer of that. So if you are single and you haven't found anybody yet, it's fine. Like, don't worry, it's fine. You gotta think, like, would you rather settle for anything less than you deserve, or would you rather just be by yourself? Like, me personally, I view it as, would you want to be stressed over someone that's lying to you, cheating on you, you don't know where they're at, they don't text you back? Do you want to deal with all that stress, or are you good with just worrying about yourself? Because me personally, I'm good with just worrying about myself. Like, you go to bed not stressed, you go to bed not upset, you go to bed not sad. Like, it's bomb. You wake up, you focus on you, you're like, boom, I'm waking up this morning, I'm gonna kill today because today's my day. I got nothing holding me back. I've got God with me. We're gonna knock out today, and you're gonna trust everything on his agenda for the day, and that's just how it's gonna go. Whew. Okay, put that on, and then I'm gonna put some, well, first I'm gonna spray my face real fast. That's that. For the lips, I'm gonna go in with this lip liner from Makeup Forever, and it's in the shade 3C. I don't know, looks like this. Then I'm going with MAC Honey Love, looks like this. Then I'm just gonna go over the top of it with a gloss. I'm gonna use this Buxom, it's a plumper, I think, in Samantha. But yeah, guys, it's not bad to be single. Embrace yourself. I mean, I look like somebody's auntie or Felicia from Friday half of the time. I will. I mean, somebody's gonna love me for it. Somebody's gonna love my Crocs. Somebody's gonna love my Felicia-ness. Somebody's gonna love the way I look when I wake up. Someone's going to be okay with how I look on my worst days. And then my good days will just be a bonus. Okay. Oh, I gotta put mascara on my lower lashes. Almost forgot that part. The biggest takeaway I can give, don't compare yourself, just love yourself. Every one of us is unique, and one of my favorite lines is, don't strip the world from knowing you. We were all made differently. We were all made, so we were each one of a kind. So do not strip the world from knowing you. That's that in. This is the final look, guys. This is day one hair, so it's not gonna be very voluminous. So this is as good as it's gonna get, but this is the final look. Just let me know what you think down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can like below the video, and you can subscribe in the same spot, or if you want to be fancy, you can subscribe in the bottom corner of the video. I think it's on your right hand side if you're looking into, you know, when you're watching me, it's on your right. This is my right, so that means this is your right, so it must be over here, right? I might have completely failed that, but that's okay. We're just gonna go with it. Yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Let me just fix my robe. Ew. Ma'am, you are dirty. Why are you staring at me? Chill. Dogs are mad. Can you hear them? Yeah. Now don't mind my pillows in the back. Now I'll mess them up. You know she can't let anything just be. What is that smell? Is that you? Mama, what's that? Just saying. Oh shoot. Well, whatever.